Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to send videos on Discord Mobile easily in two methods, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Discord for the first method. Now go to the server or to the chat that you want to send the video in. Tap on the video and then tap on send right here, and the video will be sent within seconds. Now let's try sending it to a friend. I'm choosing this friend. Just go ahead and tap on the plus, tap on the video, and then tap on send. And just like that, the video will be sent within seconds, depending on how fast is your internet. Now the second method, we have to go to gallery and make sure that you choose the video that you want to send. Tap on it and then tap on share on the bottom left right here. From here, choose Discord. And then choose a caption. Just type a caption if you want. When you're done, tap on the friend you want to send this to, and then tap on send on the top right. And the video will be sent just like that, and that's how you do it, guys. Now, if this video was helpful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future solutions to such problems, and thank you for watching.